I'm from South Korea. And you?
I'm Jungkook from BTS.
I hate my dad, but yeah. Oh my god, he's kind of cute!
Or really, I am, or what?
Oh, muscularly. Very nice.
Jingtam, please.
मुझको इतना पता है कोई कैसे तुझसे दिल
Tôi nhựa cho mẹ là ít thế này ăn minute. Lòng của Maggie mẹ thằng nào.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello. Thớt. Klamakor. Thớt. Tôi được Klamakor.
¿Eres cantante?
Hey, cantante.
We don't drink.
Oh, you don't drink?
No,
Very
we
good.
are not drink.
You're still a kid. You should not drink.
Yeah, we should not drink.
Yes.
Do you drink?
No, I don't drink, bro. Sorry.
Good.
Only water.
Yes.
Khyllung rất kể lại Omegle.
Kick his ass! Kick his ass!
Why? What's your age?
14.
Tập lúc bay mới đi Khyllung rất. Đang dùng patron đang phong nạp kênh thằng này. Go.
You're a YouTuber?
No, I'm not YouTuber. I used to be a
Fuck you
YouTuber.
then.
She post Snapchat them see. Are you guys Indian?
Yes.
पता था.
والله غربتك على المختار من غير يعني
अब थपर. क्या करते हो? इंजीनियरिंग?
नहीं फार्मेसी कर रहे हैं हम लोग
दवाई बनाओ,
हाँ
करप्शन हटाओ.
आप हेलो हेलो
हाँ जी बोलिए.
गाना सुना
गाना?
हाँ
Narit basmat basting bam shana kulai. You guys looks like you are engineer.
Fuck, you are right.
अबे नाम भी
Everything I got it in this neighborhood.
Oh,
Hey bro.
you guys look engineers.
Yeah.
أنا قاري القول
Mesya medina Me pau tang kabeniat baka khamat. Mi ira kadur jo mesya.
I can't go for that.
What is that in the plastic?
It's the plant where you take the cocaine.
Oh,
After
okay.
This is business!
Okay, carry on with your business.
First of all, I'm not your brother. Second of all,
Okay.
Hello, Captain. Mr. B.
I'm big.
Yeah. Ayo, Punjabi bro.
Oh, my nigga.
Headshot.
Hello, uncle. Sim ka mic ma'am, so ira ma'am.